Welcome to the Space Survey training. In this video, we'll show you how to access your assigned surveys, review and update rooms, finalize your work, and submit your space surveys. From the site's home screen, navigate to the Space section and select Space Survey. After selecting Space Survey, you'll arrive at the survey listing screen. Use the caret on the right to expand the listing. Your assigned surveys appear below, grouped by department and building. For each survey, you'll see room counts for pending, changed, error, excluded, and finalized. After selecting a survey, you'll arrive at the room listing screen. This displays all rooms occupied by your department for the selected building. Select a room to review its details. You can use the search bar to filter rooms by room number or description. You will need to review every room on the list. If a room is missing, add it using the yellow Add Room button in the top right corner. On the room details page, you will see the comments section. This optional area can be used to add clarifying notes or communicate with other departmental surveyors. To contact Facilities Space Survey support, begin your comment with @Facilities Analytics. Next, review the Location Facts section. Some fields are read-only, while others can be updated. Review all fields carefully and make edits as needed. For additional details about each field, refer to the Space Data Guide available on the Space Survey website. In the Organization Occupancy section, confirm the occupying organization, occupancy percentage, and dates. For existing records, you do not need to modify the start date. Only organizations associated with the surveys department can be selected. If changes are required, use the top Add button to create a new occupancy record and enter an end date for the existing record, or adjust the percentage as needed. Start and end dates must not overlap. Employee occupancy applies only to office rooms. The employee list includes all active university employees, as well as a vacant value for unoccupied offices. If a room belongs to a different department, enter an end date for the existing occupancy records and add a location note explaining the change. If you are also a surveyor for the receiving department, you can add the room to that department's survey using the Add Room functionality. After making updates, scroll to the top and select Save. Saving moves the room into the changed category. Once saved, the green button will move from Finalize without update to Finalize. Use Finalize without update only if no edits are required. Finalize a room only when you are fully confident the information is accurate. If you're unsure, click Save and leave the room in the changed status so you can return and finalize later. After finalizing a room, you can navigate using the breadcrumb links at the top of the page. You can also use the Next and Previous buttons to cycle through rooms sequentially. Breadcrumbs are always available and provide the quickest way to return to the survey listing or rooms listing screens. Back on the room listing screen, your list will refresh to reflect recent changes. Use the filters at the top to focus on specific rooms or room types. Using the breadcrumbs, return to the survey listing screen. Here, you can review updated status counts. Rooms saved but not finalized appear under Changed, while completed rooms appear under Finalized. For a consolidated view of all rooms in your survey, select the optional Rooms Analysis button from the room listing screen. This report displays all rooms in a single view and includes filters to help you narrow results. The Space Survey tool is mobile-friendly, allowing you to complete surveys on a tablet or mobile device. Ready Request also includes a floor plan viewer, accessible from a separate tile on the site's home screen. Training for the floor plan viewer is available on the Space Survey website. Once every room has been finalized, the Submit button becomes active. Until then, it remains disabled. When ready, select Submit to complete your survey. The survey will then move on to the Space Ambassador for approval. The Space Ambassador will receive an email notification with a direct approval link. This concludes the space survey training. Thank you for helping maintain accurate space information across the university.